In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get YouTube Premium student discount plus 1 month free trial. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now type in YouTube Student Premium Plan and search for it. Different website links will appear, but navigate to this one, the official website. Then you will be directed to this page. Now you can go ahead and click on try 1 month for US $0. This keeps you a full month of premium free before any billing starts. Next, sign in using your Google account. Then you'll be prompted to verify your student status. Now fill these details. Select your country, type in the educational establishment name, your first name, last name, likewise date of birth and email address. Once you complete this process, you'll be good to go. Now you'll need to provide your payment details. Once you submit your documents, just wait a few minutes while the system verifies your eligibility. When approved, you will receive a confirmation email. Open it and continue with the sign-up process. Once again, you might be prompted to add a payment method like a debit or credit card. Complete that. Even though it says buy, you won't be charged during the free trial period and you can cancel anytime before it ends to avoid payment. And that's it. Your YouTube Premium student plan will be activated, giving you benefits like ad-free videos, background play, and offline downloads. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.